Hello everyone, let's do some more questions of chapter surface areas and volumes of class 9th. Today we will learn about the surface area of sphere. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, you all will be able to apply the formulas for surface area of sphere as well as hemisphere. Let's begin with exercise 13.4. Now understand what is surface area. I have done one activity to show why the formula for surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. The link of that activity I have I have attached that in description box. You can open through that link and just watch how the surface area for sphere is 4 pi r square. So sphere has only one surface, right? Suppose r is the radius of the sphere. So surface area is 4 pi r square, and if we cut this sphere into two halves, so each part will be called as hemisphere. So hemisphere basically has two surfaces. One is the top surface and other one is the curved surface. So one surface is this is one surface, this is one surface, and this one is the curved surface. So curved surface will be half of the surface area of sphere, which is 2 pi r square, and the total surface area will be curved surface area plus area of this surface, which is circle. So pi r square, on adding we get 3 pi r square. So the formula for total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square and curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Sphere has only one surface, so whether we say curved surface area or total surface area, it's one of the same thing. So let me erase this. Right, now let's continue with the exercise. Question number 1. Question number 1 is find the surface area of sphere of radius. Now there are three parts, so one by one I'll do each part. So the radius for first part is equals to r equal to 10.5 centimeter. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So this is equals to 4, value of pi is 22 by 7, r square, that is 10.5 into 10.5 centimeter square. So on multiplying all these we get the answer, and its answer will be 1386 centimeter square. You can remove the decimal and do the calculations yourself. So if we divide this, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are, and 5 2s are, 7 3s are, 2 2s are 4, this is cancelled. So 22 into 3 into 21 will be 1386 centimeter square. Now let's do second part. In second part, radius is 5.6 centimeter. Same way as we have done in first part, we'll find the surface area for second part. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Let's substitute the values. R is 5.6, so 5.6 we'll write twice. On simplifying these, we'll get the answer as 394.24 centimeter square. You can do the simplification yourself. Now the third part, here the radius is 14 centimeter. So surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. 4, the value of pi is 22 by 7, r square, that is 14 into 14, and if you multiply and solve this, the answer will be 2464 centimeter square. I am leaving the simplification part to you all, so please do the simplification and do the calculations yourself. Now question number 2. Find the surface area of sphere of diameter. Now in question number 1 the radius was given, and in question number 2 the diameters are given. So first of all we'll change diameters into radius. In first part, diameter is 14 centimeter. So therefore radius will be half of the diameter. So half of the 14, that is 7 centimeter. So let's find out surface area. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. 4, value of pi is 22 by 7, r square, that is 7 into 7. These are cancelled out, and on multiplying these three we get answer as 616 centimeter square. Same way we'll do the second part. In second part, diameter is given as 21 centimeter and the radius is equals to r equal to 21 by 2 centimeter. So surface area of sphere will be 4 pi r square, which is 4 into 22 by 7 r square, that is 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 centimeter square. And on simplifying this, we'll get the answer as 1386 centimeter square. Same way now we'll do the third part. In third part, diameter is 3.5 meters. So radius will be half of this. So radius equals to r equal to 3.5 by 2 meters. So surface area of sphere will be, let's write formula first, then 4 pi is 22 by 7. So r square, that is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 meter square, and on multiplying these three we get answer as 38.5 meter square. Now let's do next question. In question number 3 is, find the total surface area of hemisphere. Now they are talking about the total surface area, right? So radius here is given as 10 centimeter and we have to find out the total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Here value of pi is 3.14. So 3 pi is 3.14. R square, that is 10 into 10 centimeter square, and on multiplying these three we get answer as 942 centimeter square. You can do the calculation yourself, just remove the decimal and do the simplification. Now let's move to next question. Question number 4 is, the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is being pumped into it. आपके पास सपोज एक बलून है, उसका रेडियस है 7 सेंटीमीटर. जब आपने उसके अंदर और एयर पंप इन की तो उसके अंदर और हवा भरी तो उसका रेडियस हो गया 14 सेंटीमीटर. Now here they are asking, find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in the two cases. So since there are two radii, so एक रेडियस को हम 7 स्मॉल r से डिनोट करेंगे और एक रेडियस को कैपिटल R से. So let radii be, radii is plural of radius. स्मॉल r हम लोग ले लेते हैं 7 सेंटीमीटर और कैपिटल R ले लेते हैं 14 सेंटीमीटर. Now we have to find out the ratio of the surface areas. So ratio of surface area of balloon, या फिर हम लोग एक लिखते हैं initial surface areas, right? Initial surface area of balloon, then later or final surface area of balloon. Now balloon is spherical in this case, so formula for surface area is 4 pi r square. So initially बेटा यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे initially छोटे वाले रेडियस की बात की थी तो इसलिए हमने इनिशियल सरफेस एरिया न्यूमरेटर में रखा है. तो इनिशियल रेडियस हमारा स्मॉल r था 4 pi r square and final was capital R square. After this 4 pi and 4 pi are cancelled out. Now we will substitute the values. 7 square and capital R is this. So 7 square means 7 into 7. 14 square means 14 into 14. Let's do the cancellation. here 7 ones are 7 twos are, so we have 1 by 4, so therefore ratio is 1:4. आपको अलग अलग सरफेस एरियाज निकाल के रेशियो निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जब भी रेशियो निकालने के लिए आए आप सबसे पहले फॉर्मूला लिखा करो. राइट, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now question number 5 is, a hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. अब inner diameter 10.5 centimeter है, so inner radius हो जाएगा इसका half. Inner radius small r equal to 10.5 by 2 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Now tin plating बेटा surface area पे ही होगा and moreover centimeter square is a unit of area. It's a hemispherical bowl, so it means only curved surface is visible. So we will find the curved surface area of hemispherical bowl. Curved surface area of hemispherical bowl is 2 pi r square. Right. The value of pi is 22 by 7. R is 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 centimeter square. Let's simplify this. Decimal remove हुआ, नीचे 10, इधर decimal remove into 10. Now 5 twos are 10, this one. Similarly, this been cancelled out. 7 ones are, 7 threes are 21, 2 twos are 4. Sorry, 2 से ये 2 cancel and this से ये cancel. So we have 11 into 3 into 21, denominator में 2 into 2, that is 4 centimeter square. इनको जब हम लोग multiply करेंगे, we'll get 693 by 4 centimeter square. Now let's find the cost. So therefore, cost of tin plating at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square is equals to rupees 16 multiplied by 693 by 4. अब ये cancel हो जाएगा, 4 4s are cancelled, 4 4s are 16, so rupees on multiplying 693 by 4 will get okay, by 100 भी है, so यहाँ पे 100 भी आएगा. So we're multiplying this, we get 2772 by 100, which is equals to rupees 27.72. Now it's time for the home assignment. Please do example 7 to 10. Try to do it, and if you face any problem, I can discuss during the live class. Watching.